Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Mentor. In this particular session, I am going to cover a very important topic which is required for edit window. So I named it edit window FAQs, and I will answer the questions which you can see on the screen. Who can do the fresh registration, and can I edit city center? That's very important question. Many candidates were asking that question. Can I edit category from general to OBC, selection of EWS, category change but not reflected. You change the category successfully, you got the printout, but you see after logging back, you don't see the updated category on your home page. Not getting edit option, what to do? You are not able to see the edit option. It means you don't know how to edit the category. So these are all the questions we will discuss in this session. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel because it's a really great platform for all NEET PG related information, updates and counseling procedures, last year details, analysis, all the things. And in the description you can find some important ebooks for deemed universities, DNB and open states. We also provide paid counseling guidance, so in case you find that you need some kind of guidance, so you can avail that guidance. And right now, if you avail it right now, we giving you discount of 20% on the total guidance charges. And the counseling guidance is applicable starting from the day you register with us. We do a high level of analysis and share it with you so that you have an idea about what is the scope and how much budget you need to have in order to get a seat in private colleges. If government colleges, then where and all you can get a seat and what branches is possible in your expected rank. And starting from all India counseling registration process, any support required in documentation or NRI documents, all the things will be provided. Round 1, round 2, round 3, step vacancy round, counseling procedure, counseling, choice filling, and all the any kind of information that you need, you can call in number of times to our team and we will help you out. So let's jump to the main topic of the video. First question, who can do the fresh registration? I already mentioned the candidates who completed their internship within the given period, they only can do registration freshly. Any candidate who completed their internship uh, in kind of like in the month of March or April, May, June, that time they didn't fill the application form, and now they want to do the fresh registration, they are not eligible. So you need to keep in mind when your internship got completed. Earlier they had given a deadline that 30th June should be the last date for your internship completion, but after the examination got delayed by 4 months, uh, the NPE considered it kind of giving like a new window for those candidates who completed their internship lately, and now they have completed and they should be also eligible to participate in the counseling. Coming to second question, can I edit city center? You can't edit city center. See, once you once you log in, uh, let's talk about the steps. First, you need to visit your NB site where you have registered or you filled your application form 4 months back. Okay, you have to log in first of all with your username and password which was sent to your email ID. Once you log in, you can see on the right side, right top corner, logout button and print button. Earlier, yesterday when some of the candidates tried, they were able to see go to application form option as well. But now if you don't see go to application form, there is a discrepancy between the screen that you get after logging in. Some of the candidates are still getting go to application form next to print option on the top right, but other candidates are not getting it. Other candidates are getting some screen I will show you. So after you log in, some of the candidates are getting this type of a screen. One, there are two tabs: applicant details, where you have the applicant details and all are in gray color, which is not editable. And the next tab, edit form. So once you click on edit form, you can see a table which has got 3 rows, and first column is action, second column is in your application sequence number, capture photograph, signature, thumb impression, and your registration certificate, upload photograph. So many candidates are missing the point here. Once you see there is action, so you need to click on the icon you see in blue color below action. If once you click on that blue color icon, you will be opened up with a new page where you see on the top right side go to application form, and again you need to click on go to application form. Once you click go to application form, you will be shown 3 tabs, and one by one you have to click on save and next. You don't need to change anything. Go to second tab. You can complete all the tabs, and you can change your category. So in the last step they will ask you for confirmation. The pop-up window will come, so be careful in these steps. You don't make any kind of like hurriness. You do it with cool mind so that you don't make any mistake, and you have to give your confirmation that you are going to confirm that category change. Once you do the category change, it will ask you to take the printout. You can save it in PDF format and can take the printout. Now once you have taken the printout, and again you log out and log in back and try to check your details in applicant details. So there you will be able to see the previous, not the updated category, the previous category. So there is nothing to panic. It takes some time to update, and all the candidates are getting the same issues, so there is nothing to panic. You have got the printout, and that's sufficient to show that you have updated your category. And after a few days, maybe after 20 of which is the last date of category change, they will do it in bunch kind of like a process where they run one software job, and all the bulk changes are getting reflected there. One more question you have. So coming to the so I answered the second last question, category change but not reflected. You don't need to worry. You just take the printout and it will get reflected after 20, and you can edit your category. Not getting the edit option, so I explained you the process how you can get the edit option. Login, and then go to edit form, and there you click on action button, the icon below the action, and you will be able to go to application form, and there you can follow all the steps in 3 tabs, and you can change your category. So I think that explains all your doubts, and if still you have any question, then you can contact us. And there are issues from NB side, technical issues, and due to those technical issues, every time you face such problems. But you don't need to panic. You have to understand that is kind of limitation from NB, because there are 1 lakh and 80,000, 1 lakh approx 80,000 students are there who applied for NEET PG, and there are a lot of pressure on the server which is running behind the scene, and all the students are trying to search or doing the processing category change at the same time. That's the problem comes. If you try in late hour, like offline off hour, around like midnight or early morning, then you would have fair chance to get the process done in single time and without any kind of failure. One more question I wanted to cover. Once you change your category, so you can change your category once, you can't change it twice. So once you make a mistake, you have to contact NB. So be careful, you don't make a wrong category change. There's no experiment that you need to make. So thanks for watching and have a great day.